A warm welcome to Layer Tutorials. In this video, we learn Introduction to HTML. Let's recap the previous video. We learned about the browser and URL, which are the basic requirements to open any website, and you also learned about syntax, which is basically the rules of the language. However, you need to understand and you need to remember continuously that syntax is just a small part of programming. Just by knowing syntax doesn't mean that you are an expert in programming. Syntax is the rules of the language, and they show syntax is the rules of the language and they should be followed. Moving ahead, we learned about bugs and debugging. Bugs are basically errors in the code, and debugging is basically identifying them and trying to fix them to make your code work. And this is the also one of the most important parts in programming. Also, you learned about the concept of tweaking the code, which is basically trying to understand, trying to fix, and trying to modify the code so that you will get insights into it. Moving ahead, let's move the today's video. Let's move into the introduction to HTML. We'll be talking about HTML syntax. We'll have a quick introduction of how exactly you need to understand the HTML syntax. How can you modify it and basically tweak it? And also you learn how to build a certain elements. Here we have like main heading, which will be the H1 element. And you also learn how to build a paragraph, which is the P element. And also you learn about how to write or how to build or how to code in the button, which will be the button element. Now, the thing is, you already know we'll be starting off this journey into the front-end development. Any front-end development starts in the angle where is the static websites, which working on right now is HTML and CSS. And we'll move towards building responsive websites, which use the technologies like Bootstrap, which helps to run the website in mode, which helps you to see the websites in a beautiful way. And we also start building dynamic websites, which will be help you instead of which we are basically which helps to load a certain parts of the website without actually needing to load the whole website altogether. And next we'll learn mobile applications, which has the technologies like React Native and Flutter. In previous video, we already discussed the example as tourism website. Here it is the home page, which has heading, paragraph, and button. In previous video, we already discussed the example as tourism website. Here it is the home page, which has heading, paragraph, button, and favorite places detailed view will be discussed in the next upcoming videos. Whenever we are doing any website, first it break down into the small parts and pick a small part and write the code and you test the output. Like the see the results, what the changes are occurred, and repeat for the paragraph, button, images, everything. Here, the most important is HTML basic structure. This is the syntax for the HTML, like document type, HTML, head, body, which the next challenge, how to add a heading in HTML. To add a HTML element, we must have the start tag and the end tag. End tag. In the between of start tag and end tag, we must have the text content. Then it is called as HTML element. It is the same, like we have the start tag and the end tag. In the between of this, we have the elements or content. Main heading as a tourism. Main heading. The syntax for the main heading is start tag and end tag as H1. It is an H1 opening tag and H1 closing tag. Like something like this. H1 start tag and H1 closing tag. In the between, we read the content of the heading. Like we have like tourism is a content. Let's go with the adding of main heading in your HTML structure. We must have to add H1 tag, paragraphs, buttons, everything in the body section. Let's go with the demo. Type HTML compiler. Choose one compiler and so here H1 tag, it is the starting tag and it is the ending tag. In the between we write the content. Here we can see the in your slide we can have the tourism is a text. After writing the text, then simply run the button. After writing the tags, then run the code. After running the code, we can see the output as tourism. So this is the main heading. After knowing the main heading tag, then go with the how to add a paragraph in HTML. To add paragraph in HTML elements, we must have the p tag. P start tag and p end tag. In the between, we write the content as plan your trip whenever you want to go. Like this is a content. And adding of paragraph to the previous code in the HTML structure, we can observe here that opening p tag and the closing p tag is included in the code. Like in the body section, you written the code, and then the output of this code is tourism, plan your trip wherever you want to go. Result for the code. Then look into the demo. We completed our main heading tag, then we'll go with the p tag. It is a p starting tag and p ending tag. In the between, we write the content. Here we can see in our slides, we have like a plan your trip whenever you want to go. So this is the content. After writing the code, then run the button. Then we can observe the result as tourism is the main heading and the paragraph is a plan your trip whenever you want to go. In the main heading and the paragraph, then we can learn how to add a button in the HTML. To add a button in HTML, we must have button start tag and the button end tag. In the between, we can write the content of the button. Like get started is a content or the text. We can say that. And adding a button in your previous code, like in the HTML structure, heading tag, paragraph, and the button is added, and the result for this code is tourism, plan your trip wherever you want to go, and the get started. This is the result for the code. After completing the paragraph, then just add the button. We have get started button. So run the code. Here we can see the output as tourism, plan your trip whenever you want to go, and the get started button. So this is the code. Finally, in this video, we learned HTML syntaxes and basic structure of the HTML and all the elements like heading, paragraph, button in detail with the demo. And the next session is Introduction to CSS. Thanks for sticking till the end. If you learned something new, like the video, share it around and subscribe for more tutorials.